For the planting, make holes as deep as the bulbs are and spaced 6 to 8 inches apart. Place the bulbs in the hole with a root bunch facing down. Cover with soil and press down, then water. To care for your onions, loosen the soil up around the bulbs when they start growing larger and water them regularly. To harvest the onions, pull the bulbs out and let them harden for a few days in the sun so that they lose a bit of their water. Store them away from moisture in a cool and ventilated spot.